Hey everybody, and welcome back to Trial and Error. I noticed everybody seems to really enjoy watching these snow removal videos. I don't know whether you're dealing with snow yourself, so you just have compassion, or whether you're from Florida and you just like to laugh at us. But either way, I wanted to post up this one. It's not by any means the largest amount of snow we've ever removed, but it is way up there on the wetness scale. This stuff was really soup. And you can kind of tell by the way the blower just kind of lunges at it. But the beautiful thing is it never gets bound up. It just it pumps. It'll pump soup if you ask it to. So figure that was worth sharing. If you have any questions about the setup itself, I do have other videos in depth on the Kubota, but this is just a little BX. It's an 18 horse BX. It's the smallest one they make, and it has served me extremely well. So enjoy the video, and I'll catch up with you at the end. I keep a 3-button garage door opener in the tractor. It just makes it really easy. When I'm ready to get to the doors, I can pop them open from inside the cab, cut in, scoop out the snow at the doors, and never actually have to pick up a shovel. As you can see, the top of the driveway is definitely the most tedious portion, but there's something to be said for getting into every little nook and cranny and never having to leave the seat of the tractor or pick up a shovel. So now we're ready to rip down the long portion of the driveway, which is, I don't remember exactly, it's a few hundred feet long, and that goes much quicker. Thank you all very much for watching. As always, if you have any questions, concerns, criticisms, throw them down in the comment section below me. And otherwise, everybody have a great day.